Good morning. Today we are going to discuss an important fundamental right, that is freedom of religion. The right to freedom of religion. Article 25 reads freedom of conscience and free profession, practice and propagation of religion. That is the heading of Article 25. Then come to the the article, clause 1. Subject to public order, morality and health, and to the other provisions of this part, all persons are equally entitled to freedom of conscience and the right freely to profess, practice and propagate religion. Every person has the right to profess and practice his religion. In clause 2 says, nothing in this article shall affect the operation of any existing law or prevent the state from making any law, subclause A, regulating or restricting any economic, financial, political or other secular activity which may be associated with religious practice. Subclause B, providing for social welfare and reform or the throwing open of Hindu religious institutions of a public character to all classes and sections of Hindus. Explanation 1. Wearing and carrying of kirpans shall be deemed to be included in the profession of Sikh religion. Explanation 2. In subclause B of clause 2, the reference to Hindus shall be construed as including a reference to persons professing the Sikh, Jaina or Buddhist religion, and the reference to Hindu religious institutions shall be construed accordingly. Then comes 26. Freedom to manage religious affairs. That is what Article 26 says. Subject to public order, morality and health, every religious denomination or any section thereof shall have the right A. to establish and maintain institutions of religious and charitable purposes. B. to manage its own affairs in matters of religion. C. to own and acquire movable and immovable property. And D. to administer such property in accordance with law. That is regarding freedom to manage religious affairs, to acquiring property, to managing it, and administer in accordance with the law. Then we go through Article 27. Freedom as to payment of taxes for promotion of any particular religion. That is the heading. The article reads, no person shall be compelled to pay any taxes, the proceeds of which are specifically appropriated in the payment of expenses for the promotion or maintenance of any particular religion or religious denomination. So, a citizen shall not be compelled to pay taxes that was levied for the promotion of a particular religion only. Comes to Article 28. Freedom as to attendance at a religious instruction or religious worship in certain educational institutions. That is the heading. Article 28, Clause 1. No religious instruction shall be provided in any educational institution wholly maintained out of state funds. 2. Nothing in this Clause 1 shall apply to an educational institution which is administered by the state but has been established under any endowment or trust which requires that religious instruction shall be imparted in such an institution. Then Clause 3. No person attending any educational institution recognized by the state or receiving aid out of the state funds shall be required to take part any religious instruction that may be imparted in such institution or to attend any religious worship that may be conducted in such institution or in any premises attached thereto, unless such person or if such person is a minor, his guardian has given consent thereto. Then comes the cultural and educational rights. It is contained in Article 29. Article 29, protection of interest of minorities. That is the heading of Article 29. Article 29(1) says, any section of the citizens residing in the territory of India or any part thereof having a distinct language, script or culture of its own shall have to conserve the same. Clause 2. No citizen shall be denied admission into any educational institution maintained by the state or receiving aid out of state funds on the grounds only of religion, race, caste, language, or any of them. So in Clause 1 of Article 29 says, a distinct language, script or culture practiced by a section of the citizens in India shall have the right to conserve the same. Again, Clause 2 says that citizens shall not be denied admission on educational institutions maintained by the state or aided on the grounds only of religion, race, caste, language, or any of them. With this, we are concluding for this day. Thank you.